this is Alma Lasso. Welcome to my channel. For this video, I'll show it to you my CVS haul from July 5th to July 11th. And I only use one extra care card and I paid only $1. So let's start. This is my first transaction, 5 items, and I got it for free. I didn't spend anything, and look at my receipt. I paid zero. And then I got this one for free. Also, it's like every day they're giving a free CVS item, so I got that one. All right, so as what I've said, everything's free. And look at that one. Okay, is that amazing? All right, for the second batch, here we go. All right, this one, the deal that I did for this one, you spend 30 and you're gonna get 10 extra, $10 extra bucks. Okay, so for this transaction, I only pay 94 cents. Only 94 cents. Why? What I did, since I don't have a digital coupon from CVS for this 5 and for everything, all right, for these 3, there's an insert that you're gonna buy 3 Pantene for and with the $5 off, and for 2 Head and Shoulders, you're gonna buy 2 and there's a $3 off. All right, and this one I don't have. They don't have insert for this one and for the clinics. Okay, everything's a PNG products, so it's okay, everything's fine. Even though they don't have a digital coupon, I got it, the insert. So as what I've said, I paid 90 cents only. So I did the following transaction, the third transaction. Here we go. All right, and this one I paid only $5.91. All right, I used my $10 care pass and the $10 from the second transaction, so I got only $20 extra bucks. So what I did, I maximized using all my extra bucks. All right, so what happened with this one, I have the CRT for this one, and this one I use the insert from the newspaper, and the 2 of this one, there's a digital coupon for this one. So it's like I got this one $2 off, and then this one's $2 off, and for this one, this is free for today, which is Thursday. And I got $5 extra bucks for this one. So I got everything for free. Imagine that one, for free. That's amazing, right? So tomorrow, which is Friday and Saturday, I will check it out if I have an opportunity to get their free items. Okay, and let us see what's gonna happen. As what I've said, I hope CVS will give a lot of products each day, but I think they're only counting, or there are certain quantity only that they're gonna give it free each day. So try to send a complaint or send a letter to the corporate and ask, why is it like that? You're giving us a free stuff every day, each day, and then nothing. I went to the 5 CVS branches in my county and nothing. The only thing I got, all right, is the cotton swabs. That's it. I didn't get the facial scrub, and I didn't get also the nail file. All right, so let us see tomorrow and Saturday. So I hope you enjoy my CVS haul for this week, and please like, subscribe, bell button, all right, the bell button, and share my video. This is the only way I'll show it to everybody what I have experienced with CVS. Life is short, be happy, and make it sure you can use all the items of CVS for free, as in for free. And then I'm planning, I hope in the future, not this time, because there's a lot of things going on. All right, I'm gonna plan also some of my stuff. All right, I'll give it to, or donate it to the food bank, which I found out that each person really needs not only the food, they need this kind of thing also. So as far as I know, if you're gonna apply for the food stamp, you can only have the food stamp, that's it. You're gonna still pay for the shampoo, for the household products. So I hope I'm gonna do my goal for this year. So let me see, I'll tell it to you what's gonna happen, okay? And then what I'm gonna do, just save everything, these things, and then I'll inform you when is the day that I'm gonna be ready to give some of this thing to food bank. All right, so I want to help people also, especially today we have COVID-19 still not yet done, and of course the effect is our economy goes down, and some people doesn't have money. So this is a big help to those people, all right, to those people who couldn't afford. That's why I'm convincing you, people in the United States, try to do the CVS Whole. Try it. Just start from the extra care, which is worth $10. You pay $10, and then after that you gotta pay monthly $5, and every month they're gonna give you $10 extra care, plus the extra, you're gonna earn all the extra care box every month, or not every month, every week. So I'm convincing everybody, please do the CVS Whole, okay? It's a big help. This is the only way that I can help you, the information, what I have experienced in my life. So once again, please like, subscribe, press the bell button, and share my CVS Whole or my video, okay? Bye bye, I'll see you next time. Have a good day.